Today, I'm going to teach you about CAC and ROAS. Now, what is CAC and ROAS? Client acquisition costs and return on advertising spend. Hi, I'm Himade, creator of SEO to Sales, and in today's environment where it's gone from search engine optimization to search everywhere optimization, you have no choice, but you have to spend some money on ads. And as you know, ads are not cheap. And if you start spending and you don't track what's working and not working, you could see yourself spending too much money and not getting a return on investment. So CAC stands for client acquisition costs, and ROAS is return on ad spend. So these two measures here, CAC and ROAS, are two very important and vital statistics for you to make sure that you are doing the right thing with your ad campaigns. I have seen many campaigns that don't have a good CAC and don't have a good ROAS. And when we know what's wrong, we can fix it and make sure that your budgets are fully optimized with the right target audience so that you get business, new leads, and close them. So if you have any questions on this, CAC and ROAS, Google it. It's not difficult, but if you get stuck, I'm here for you.